Hello friends and family, and people I don't know. This is my baby, Matilda. And today we're going to show you how to hold a baby in 5 different ways. So the first and most original Matilda, you're not meant to cry. Hey. Alright, that wasn't planned. I don't know if I can continue now. Hello, Matilda. Tilly, we're just going to teach them 5 ways of how to carry you. It's going to be very easy. What do you think? So the first and most classic way to hold a baby, and especially if you're in a crowd, is the Lion King. This way you get ample coverage, people can see the back and the front of the baby. Definitely a classic move for everyone. And you should not forget about this one. What did you think about that one? We call this hold the I need to pee, so yeah, pretty self-explanatory. And she's all happy there, aren't you, Tills? This one is probably one of my favorites. When I wake up in the morning and I need to pee, kind of bring my arm around the front and put one arm under here and let her rest. Like this. See? She has lots of vantage point to look. She can look around, do whatever she likes. And with the other hand, I can go to the toilet, I can pee, or I can go to the pub and I can have a beer. So that's number 2. So I don't know if you remember, but it was like 1991 or 1992, Michael Jackson hung his baby over the balcony of a hotel. That one's called the blanket. So that's hold number 3, the blanket. So this one's good for crowds. If you want to let people know that you have a baby, but you don't, you put the blanket on their head and you hang them like this. Hey! Hey! And that way, the identity of your baby is kept a secret, but people absolutely know you have a baby. What did you think about that one, buddy? She loves it. Next. So another awesome hold for having the baby, and especially when you go into the bar, you can just slide her onto one arm, and she kind of rests on the joint. You're kind of supporting her neck still. And this one's good too. You can also go to the toilet, and you can also drink as many beers as you want. You can probably even go to the dance floor. Oots, 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 oots. She's having a good time. So I'm going to teach you one more hold. This is probably my favorite out of all of them. It's probably the most menacing out of all of them as well. This one is called the bank robber. So you hold your baby under her knees, right? Just under the knees. You go into a bank and you tell them, one move, one little movement of this nappy and I have a weapon in my hand. Yeah, so that one's called the bank robber. I hope this has been educational for you, and now you know how to hold babies in 5 different ways. Please don't get me in trouble if you end up robbing a bank and get caught. The trick is to probably have 2 babies, one on each arm, just go on the rapid fire. And that concludes our lesson for the day. I hope you learned something. Say goodbye, Tilly. Bye, Tilly. Bye. And we'll talk to you soon. Ciao. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Feel free to check my YouTube channel out. You can look here, or subscribe here. This week I'm going to be making a bar, and then I'm going to be having a cocktail party, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, we'll talk again soon.